Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we have a shorter video, but we're talking about something really important, and that's iOS 18. Now, since the rumors and reports regarding iOS 18 have started, we got great news, and we have even better news for you today when talking about the supported devices on iOS 18. Now, we all assume that Apple will be dropping a few devices this year and will of course stop support for a few older devices like the iPhone 11 and the iPhone XS series, but things have changed with a later report that we got just yesterday, which is really interesting. So let's take a look at this report right here. Now, we have a report here from Mac Rumors, and this report, the list of the supported devices for iOS 18, comes from a private account on Twitter, which according to Mac Rumors has been actually very accurate with the predictions and the reports that they have tweeted. Now, since then, this tweet has been deleted, probably because this Twitter account just wants to keep a low profile. But again, even according to everything Mac Rumors has reported from this account, they actually have been very accurate. And here's the surprise: the supported list for iOS 18. It is actually great, of course, especially for people who have older devices. Now, this is the list that has been tweeted. These are the devices that will be getting iOS 18 most likely. Now, of course, the newer devices are right here, but what we're looking at here are the older devices. The SE second and third generation will be getting iOS 18. Now, the same thing will happen with the iPhone XR, and of course also the XS and the XS Max, which both basically have the same chip as the XR. So you can expect, of course, all of these three devices to actually support the new iOS 18. And also the devices, the iPhone 11 series, the 11, 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max will also be getting iOS 18. Now, this list right here, this part of the list from the iPhone 11 and down here, this is the list that we all expected that will be stopped this year, and they won't be getting iOS 18. But even though this seems to be quite a big update, it looks like Apple will still support these older devices. Even though, of course, with iOS 18 and all the new features, you cannot expect all these devices to have the same features as the newer devices. Of course, there will be some limitations, but they basically are getting the new iOS 18, and that's always great news. Now, last year, Apple has dropped a few devices when they released iOS 17, and it looks like this year we won't be getting any devices dropped. There will be support for the older devices that currently support iOS 17, which is really great. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iOS 18 news, and I will see you guys on the next one.